Hi friends, how is it going? Today we are going to review some of our sight words. So these are high frequency words for this week. So some of these you probably should already know because if you were in my class last year, I taught them to you. But if you forgot, that is perfectly okay. We are going to go over them. So I'm going to show you the word on my screen right here, and then we're going to practice reading it, and then we're going to use it in a sentence, and we're going to work on an assignment with our words. Okay, so what is our first word here? What is this word? This is the word A. Very good. What is this word? A. Like there is a dog sitting over there, or I am a teacher. Okay, or there is a there is a beautiful day waiting for us outside. Can you use the word a in a sentence? Good. So we're going to say a. A. Good job. Okay, we're going to move on to the next one. What is this word? Hopefully you know this one. I. Like I am your teacher. I am 6 years old. I am 7 years old. This is the word I, right? Good. What about this word? What is this word? Is. Good. There is a dog outside. This is Tuesday. Is. It's. Remember, we can sound it out too. Is. Is. Good. Can you use the word is in a sentence? Can you use that word is in a sentence? I'm going to let you have a moment to do that real fast using the word is. Good. Let's read it. What is this word? Is. 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 What is this word? What do you think this word is? Good. This is his. Like this is his work, right? This is his classroom. His. Can you use that word in a sentence? Good job. His. And let's look at our last word. What is this one? Please tell me you remember this one. See. I see you. I see the classroom. I can see the sun shining through the window. Can you use the word see in a sentence? See, see, see. Good. We're going to flash through these one more time just to review. So what is this word? This is the word a. Very good. There is a dog, right? A. I. Like I am your friend, right? I. Good. Is. Excellent. His. Good. And what is this one? See. Okay, what is this word again? See. 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 Good. What's this word? His. Is. His. 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 What's this word? Is. 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 What is this word right here? The word I, like I, and the word a. So these are our words that we're going to look at this week, and we're going to go over them during our Google Meets today as well, just to review them and see if you remember what those words are. And we're going to write those words in our journals, and we're going to work on using those words in a sentence and reading those words. Okay? So I'm going to show you what we're going to do today. So this is our assignment today from our MyView book with our high frequency words. So what we're going to do is, these are some words that we need to remember and practice, which we know. We're going to read the words, and then we're going to complete the sentences with words from the box. So these are our words, and then we're going to practice reading the sentences. Okay, so we've got, what is this word? A. I. Is. is his, and see. Very good. So we have to complete the sentences with those words. So the first one is already there for us. So let's go ahead, and it says blank am tam. So what is that word right there? We already know that this is the word I. And I'm just going to use my tool here. So let's read it. I am tam. So we can also record ourselves reading our sentences. So let's look at number 2. I blank am. So which word do you think makes sense? I a Sam, I Sam, I is Sam, I his Sam, or I see Sam? Which word do you think makes sense with the sentence? I would say probably see. So we would write the word see here, and then you would write it in your My View book. I see Sam. Okay, so the last two I'm going to see if you can do on your own, and if during our Google Meets we're going to review this page and go over it together. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys later.